It only cost about $7 and was a 10-minute taxi ride to get from the center of Tulum to the beachfront. It was time for some beach club hopping. Tulum is home to so many gorgeous beach clubs. They're the best way to get close to the beach with access to food, drinks, and restrooms. A lot of places make it hard to access the beach to encourage you to spend some time and money at their beach clubs. I'm gonna be honest, it's really worth it. The prices aren't too crazy either, quite normal. Most of them offer 2-for-1 cocktails for under $8 and 2-for-1 beers for around $4. El Pez Hotel blew my mind as it was the first beach club I've been to. I could spend all day at a place like this. But we weren't staying there. We took a quick walk around the property to show you guys what it looks like if you are searching for a beautiful place to stay in Tulum. The going rate for this hotel is currently $485 a night, and that is exactly why we stayed in the city center. It's absolutely gorgeous though if you're trying to splurge. We continued on down the beach in search for our next beach club. Stay present. What?
Stay present.
I will stay here. Sure. I'll stay present. Maybe like don't die on the side of the road because we might. That's so funny.
No.
They want that. They're like, excuse me.
Yeah.
Get out of here, bird. I fell so in love with this beautiful little town. There are so many cute shops and bars and places to get food, we were overwhelmed with options. Each place was just as cute as the next.
With a view.
With the view, let's do it. Well, that was a far walk. We really are suckers for the 2-for-1 drinks. It's a great deal. Straight facts right now, but I am a little drunk because the happy hour here are cheap and it's amazing. You need to just come to Tulum. It's amazing. What everybody says about it is true. Yes! Y'all have to check out Moljinjante in Tulum because it is absolutely beautiful. You make friends when you're in Tulum. Let's go.
Yeah. Travel solo.
Yes.
Yes.
Travel solo. I love this. Time to get another drink. Gracias.
You influencer? Wow, sos influencer.
This place is huge. It has shops, restaurants, a beach club, a coffee shop, and villas to spend the night in. We never saw those though because the cheapest one is just over $1,000 a night. But you don't need to stay here to visit the property. You're just expected to spend something on food and drinks. No problem. So bar hopping in Tulum is the way to go.